Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
What's going on YouTube? It's Caleb Grams. I got another gem for you today. You guys liked the white one that we had so much. I found another one just like it. This is a one owner 2011 CTS-V coupe with only less than 10,000 original miles on it. Has just under, right at 9,975. It's pretty much bone stock performance-wise. The owner did add a little cosmetic upgrades here and there, but we'll get back into that in a little bit. If you've been enjoying our videos, remember, click that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, that way you get notified every time a new one gets posted. For the full write-up description and photo shoot of not only this car, but a few hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars, visit volocars.com. It's a pretty cool site. You got to go check it out. volocars.com. All right, but join me. Let's take a look at this Cadillac. All right, guys, so I hunted again for another one. These are getting harder to find. Fortunately, this guy was local, and word of mouth got led to me, and I found him. So he decided to sell it to me. He did upgrade a few things on here. He added the chrome 19-inch wheels on it. He wrapped them in Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Now, if you guys have ever bought Pilot Sports, you know those aren't cheap tires. I have receipts, records for everything. They were put on late August of last year. This car is finished in the Raven Black. That's what Cadillac calls it, and that's exactly what it is. It's been buffed out, always kept under a car cover, guys. This thing is slick. There's a couple teeny tiny stone chips around it, but no major blemishes anywhere. This paint is beautiful. The whole car is, honestly. If you guys aren't familiar with the V package, that does give you the 6.2-liter V8 that's under the hood. This is an automatic 6-speed auto with a sport shifter on it as well, so you can manually shift it. You do get cool features like in the Corvettes, like Magna Ride, traction control, electronic limited slip, coming around to the front. Some of the cosmetics that he added, I do have receipts from a professional body shop. They removed the original trim. He added carbon fiber pieces. So along the bottom lip here, you got some carbon fiber trim. The fog light bezels are carbon fiber. Again, that was all added professionally, removed and installed. There is some, small stone chips, guys. They're very teeny tiny. Can hardly see it. There's one right at the top of the fender there, but that's it. Everything else smooth, glossy. You could stare at yourself, put your makeup on, just like you're looking into a mirror. You got all the stock chrome trim pieces that go around the windows, the fender grille, obviously those V badges to let people know that you're packing some power. Love the yellow painted Brembo brake calipers. They stick out nicely on it. He did put some drilled and slotted rotors on it as well. Also, the window tint he had professionally done. It is under warranty. It's 30% all the way around, so it is legal. Illinois, the state of Illinois is pretty strict, but it is legal. These rear trim pieces are carbon fiber too, so that was another part of the package, the carbon fiber package that he added to it. But yeah, that's pretty much the exterior, guys. Let's take a look at inside the car. All right, guys, part of the reason why I like the coupe so much, look at all this storage space in the back. The owner did put in some more custom floor mats, so we have the original floor mats here. Guys, these are brand spanking new, never been used. That's just a fingerprint. Everything is really clean, all the carpet, all this stuff has no wear on it. I do have some dealer accessories. I got the cargo net, the stock lug nuts. It does have locking wheel lugs on it currently. We have a nice premium car cover that fits this thing perfectly. It's silky, it's black, matches the car. We're going with the whole black theme here. Again, always kept in a heated garage under this car cover. We do have the owner's manual. Yep, still all the original booklets in here, guys. So that's kind of nice. The seats, the rear seats, they do fold down. You have a 60-40 split if you need that extra room. You can throw your snowboard or skis in here, or golf clubs, plenty of space, no problem. Let's move over to the interior now, guys. He did option for the wood trim on the dash and the door panels here. So it's got that nice dark wood. That is real wood. It is glossy. Everything is in excellent shape. It also has the memory package, guys. This will remember driver 1 and 2, two different modes on it. It moves the seats to where you're comfortable. It moves the mirrors to the last position they were in when you were driving it. Now, if you look down, those are the floor mats I was talking about. They have that nice V logo stitched into them. They are not in the rear, but he did add a nice little V sill plate. This goes over the cup holders. So it was the little things that count, guys. He just added little touches. He has these shoulder pads on the seat belts with the V badging. They're stitched in a nice leather. Now, part of the package that he added was the Recaro seats. This is a highly optioned that are harder to find. A lot of people surprisingly didn't option for the Recaro seats. It wasn't a cheap package to upgrade to. This car's got it. These are super comfortable. You can change the bolsters. It's all fully auto powered, even down at the bottom. Let's talk about some of the features. From the steering wheel, you can change all your settings. You can go through the media, phone apps, navigation. This screen does pop up and down, guys. This has Dolby Digital surround sound system in it with the Bose premium stereo. You got some awesome things like the heat and cooling seats, so keep your butt toasty, but also keep it cool in the summertime. Alcantara suede on the shifter, as well as the steering wheel. It's really nice. The steering wheel's in excellent shape, guys. There's no wear on it. Again, this car has only 9,975 miles on it, I believe. So practically a new car. Everything is in excellent shape. We had the car detailed. Well, I wouldn't call it much of a detail. We basically had to give it a light wipe down. This car was squeaky clean when he brought it here. If you look up here, it also has the option for the sunroof. So the sunshade is power sliding. The buttons are all on top right here. That'll slide it in and out so you can keep the sun from coming in. The actual sunroof itself does slide and tilt. So that was an additional option. So this car is loaded with the right features, guys. All right, let's pop that hood. Everything is clean on this car, inside and out. All right, bone stock, all original, all clean, excellent shape. You're looking at the supercharged 6.2 liter V8. Guys, this is pushing about 556 horsepower. Plenty of power, plenty of fun. You know, you get the power of a Corvette and the luxury of a Cadillac. This thing is one of the smoothest cars you can drive on the road. That's why it's my favorite. Everything, again, it's all clean, original. Oh, I also have, back in August, he had everything serviced on this car, guys. They flushed and changed the coolant system. They flushed and changed the brake fluid system. When they replaced the brakes, he did have an oil change done at that time. So I have all the service records, the receipts for that. That was just a $1,000 bill by itself. This car needs nothing. It's ready to go. You could store it or you can drive it. It's up to you. But it's ready and available here at Volo. right, guys. That was my impression on our 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. If you are interested in this car, you can either give us a call, ask for me. I'd be more than happy to help you out, set up financing if need be. I can get this thing shipped right to your driveway. Or you can visit volocars.com. Do it all wirelessly. You don't have to talk to us at all. I can answer everything via email. I can, again, get you set up with financing if need be. You can check out the full photo shoot. It's volocars.com. And again, guys, if you've been enjoying our videos, please give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.